makes better cooks? In prehistoric times and until very recently, men went hunting, while their women would stay behind to cook meals and look after the kids. Thus, it was traditionally expected of a woman to become a better cook than a man. Nowadays, this perception has changed as women choose to compete with men in many spheres of life, but not in the kitchen. This shift in the cooking paradigm has started the still ongoing debate on who makes better cooks, men or women. Those who support women remind us of the dishes which were cooked by our moms. Their home-cooked flavors stay with us throughout our lives and are unbeatable. Those who bet on men argue that it's not an accident that the majority of famous chefs are men. Evidently, there is a point in both opinions. However, the debate, which may be continued indefinitely, has almost lost its sense when a new player has recently entered the game. From now on, it is not men versus women anymore, but humans versus robots. I beg your pardon? Did you say robots? The images that this word triggers start flashing through our mind. Here's Bender from Futurama with a spoon in his hand. A retired Terminator is cooking for his grandchildren. R2-D2 is trying to pick up the lid from a frying pan. The actual robot reality is different but no less surprising. Let me introduce you to Moley, the robotic kitchen. So far, Moley is the most technologically advanced kitchen. It is a fully integrated unit that has anthropomorphic hands which can imitate the movement of human hands. Thus, Moley can cook any dish from scratch and clean after itself when the meal is ready. Moley can plan and adapt your menu according to your lifestyle and diet. It also helps you control your calorie intake and gets cooking tips from the most famous chefs. You may wonder if there is any place for a human in this high-tech kitchen. There sure is. Moley will welcome your help when some ingredients need to be replaced or when a dish needs to be chosen by you for dinner. Is that all? Yes, it is. Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal.